Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you NodeMaven, a proxy service I have been testing and honestly it's really solid. Here's what stands out. They have 30 million residential IPs across 150 countries. That's a huge pool to work with. Their success rate is 99.54%, which is pretty high compared to most proxy providers. The main thing, they have this IP quality filter. It screens IPs before giving them to you. So you get only the cleanest proxies that work 95% of the time. No banned IPs, no flagged addresses. They offer residential, mobile and ISP proxies. Sticky sessions up to 24 hours and you can target down to zip code level if you need that precision. Pricing is pay as you go, starting at $4 per gigabyte. No subscriptions, you only pay for what you use. And I have exclusive discount codes, 35% off residential and mobile proxies, 40% off ISP proxies. I will show you exactly how to use them. Let's get into it. First, click my link in the description. It takes you to NodeMaven's homepage. Click sign in or trial for $3.50 at the top right. Enter your email and create a strong password. Hit get started. Now they ask what you will use it for. Select your use case, affiliate marketing, web scraping, e-commerce, whatever fits. Then select how you will use their solution. Pick the option that matches your needs. They will ask for a contact method. You can select or just skip it. Check your email, confirm your account by clicking the verification link. Done. Your account is created and you will land on the dashboard. And as you can see, super clean interface and everything's on the left sidebar. Now before we create proxies, we need to add traffic. Click pricing on the left sidebar. You will see three options here. First is billed monthly, plans from 2 GB all the way up to 1000 GB. Second is pay as you go, same traffic amounts but you pay per use instead of monthly. These are two for residential and mobile proxies. Third option is pay for IP. This is for ISP proxies. You buy individual static IPs instead of traffic. For residential and mobile, pick any plan you want. At checkout, use code HTITRAFF for 35% off. For ISP proxies, select your plan and use code HTI40 for 40% off. I also have another code that gives you 35% extra traffic on top of what you buy. For this demo, I have already bought 2 GB of residential and mobile traffic, so now I can start generating proxies. By the way, ISP proxies are even easier. You get the proxy details right when you buy them. Alright, let's create some proxies. Click Premium Rotating Proxy on the left sidebar. This page has 6 steps to set up everything up. Step 1, connection type. I'm going with residential for this demo. Step 2, IP version. I will choose mixed IPv4 and IPv6. This gives you access to more IPs. If you only need IPv4, select that. Step 3, location settings. I will select United Kingdom for country, England for region, and London for city. You can also pick a specific ISP if you want. There's zip targeting too. Check the box if you need it. Here you can restrict your IP to a specific zip code. Step 4, session type. Choose sticky sessions up to 24 hours or rotating for a new IP with each request. I'm going with sticky. Step 5, proxy access. First select filter mode. I'm choosing quality. This gives you the highest quality IPs. Then select protocol. I'm going with SOCKS5. Works best for residential proxies. Now you will select your proxy details. Username, password, host and port. These are auto-generated based on your settings. Step 6, proxy generator. Choose your output format. I'm selecting host port username password because it works with almost all Antidetect browsers. Set the number of proxies you want. I will go with 2. And there you go. Your proxy list appears. Copy it. Now let's test this in AdsPower. I have got the link in the description with an exclusive discount code. Open AdsPower. Click create profile. Name it NodeMaven Test 1. Select your OS and browser type. Go to proxy section. Select SOCKS5 under proxy type. Back to NodeMaven. Copy host, port, login and password and paste them into AdsPower. Now click check proxy. Passed. IP shows London, United Kingdom. Location matches perfectly. Fill in the rest of your profile details. I have a full AdsPower tutorial linked in the description if you want step-by-step profile creation. Click OK. Now launch the profile. Browser opens and there it is. IP checker page showing the correct IP and location. AdsPower working perfectly with NodeMaven. Let me open a new tab. I will go to Instagram and look at that. It's showing UK content, trending topics from London. Everything matches our proxy location. Perfect. Next up, we're gonna test NodeMaven with MoreLogin. Link in the description. Go back to NodeMaven and copy all your proxy details again. Upon MoreLogin, click create new profile. Give it a name NodeMaven Test 2. Select your browser, operating system and other profile settings. Scroll down to proxy option. Click new proxy. Under proxy type, select SOCKS5. Paste your host, port, username and password from NodeMaven. Click proxy detection to verify the connection. Green message, connection successful. Location shows London, United Kingdom. Fill in the rest of the profile details. I also have a dedicated MoreLogin tutorial, link in the description. Click confirm at the bottom to create the profile. Back on the dashboard, click start to launch it. browser opens, you are now running a completely isolated browsing environment. And here's your IP address, location, city, everything matches your proxy perfectly. You can visit any social media site, e-commerce platform, whatever you need. From their perspective, you are a real user browsing from London. So that's NodeMaven. Registration is simple, you get great discount codes, and the proxies work perfectly with Antidetect browsers. What I like, the IP quality filter, the clean interface, and you get a lot of control over location and session type. If you want to try it, use my link in the description. Use code HTITRAFF for 35% off residential and mobile proxies. Use code HTI40 for 40% off ISP proxies, and this code for 35% extra traffic. If this helped, hit the like button, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe if you want more proxy and Antidetect browser guides. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.